I'm going to walk you through how you can find the part that you're looking for in Crafty Amigo. So let's start fresh. First, when you press this plus or when you press this plus, this sidebar comes out. When you add a part and you see these pluses, they will only show up parts that are compatible with this connection. So here, this is only showing you the parts that are compatible with a 1-inch male slip. That's why I get these parts. And when I keep pressing the plus, I keep getting parts that are compatible with that. And that way I don't confuse the different parts that couldn't connect to this other part. And so I don't end up making a design that doesn't make any sense. You can also, if you don't want to use the compatibility and for some reason you want to put something in freeform space, you can click this plus. And so you can then put that there and be able to not be restricted by the compatibility logic that we have in the system. Now, if you're not too familiar with the different kinds of parts, you can always roll over this little I thing or just go research online, or you can write us and I'd be happy to write you back and help you with anything that you're looking for. For wood specifically, just want to point out that you can change the width, length, and the height to the exact parameters you're looking for. So even though this thing might start as a 1x5, you can go and make it a 20 by 10 by whatever. You can even actually put centimeters, and you can mix and match the different dimensions and the different units if you'd like. I don't know why you would do that, but you can. When you search, you have all these different kinds of filters here. So here you can choose the different size filters, which will filter down. I recommend always searching first and then filtering down. So when you search here, afterwards you can go and say, I'm looking for only PVC tees because there's also different kinds of joints that might be kind of making it messy for you to be able to find what you're looking for. And then you want to notice that you also have the different connection types as they are in our system listed here. So this helps you kind of understand what the differences are. And then also you'll want to notice that here we have all kinds of different parts. So besides just wood and PVC, we've got aluminum 80/20, we've got steel tubes, we have HVAC, black steel, and we do our best to cover all of it. But if you can think of something that we don't have, please let us know, and we add parts all the time. So if you have clever, creative ideas for new designs and types of parts that we just never thought of, we'd love to hear it. We will definitely add them as soon as we can. I hope you enjoy it.